Are you dreaming of sugar white sand, turquoise waters, and the perfect Mexican getaway? Welcome back to Punta Cana Todo Incluido, your ultimate guide to paradise. While we love the Dominican Republic, today we're heading to the crown jewel of Mexico, Cancun. In 2026, the resort scene here is more luxurious and high-tech than ever, but choosing the wrong hotel can ruin your trip. That's why we've curated the 6 best all-inclusive resorts in Cancun for 2026, ranging from massive family water parks to sophisticated adults-only retreats. We've analyzed the food, the rooms, and the wow factors you won't find in brochures. Stay tuned to find your perfect match. Your dream vacation starts right now. In this video, we're breaking down the top 6 resorts setting the gold standard this year. Whether you're planning a honeymoon, a family reunion, or a solo escape, there's an option here tailored for you. We'll look at the culinary scene, room comfort, and a final verdict for each property. Let's start the countdown. Number 6, Iberostar Selection Cancun. Starting our list at number 6 is a classic that has stood the test of time and remains a top choice in 2026. The Iberostar Selection Cancun. Location and atmosphere. Nestled right in the heart of Cancun's famous hotel zone, this 5-star beachfront resort is the epitome of family-friendly allure. One of its biggest advantages is the location. It's only a 15-minute drive from Cancun International Airport. This means you can go from the plane to the pool in record time. It sits on a prime stretch of beach known for its wide sands and vibrant turquoise hues. The resort is architecturally iconic, shaped like a modern pyramid that pays homage to Mexico's Mayan roots. Accommodations. The rooms here are as varied as they're luxurious. You'll find elegant suites with spacious layouts and a warm, inviting ambience. In 2026, many of these rooms have been updated with smart room technology, allowing you to control lighting and temperature from your phone. Most of these suites offer breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. Imagine waking up, stepping onto your private terrace, and feeling that salty breeze while you watch the Caribbean sunrise. For those wanting a bit more, the Villas section offers a more private, upscale experience tucked away from the main building. Gastronomy. Prepare your palate for a culinary journey. The resort features 6 specialized restaurants and a trendy beachside food truck for those casual midday cravings. You can enjoy an international buffet at Antigua Laguito, which features live cooking stations where you can get fresh omelets or grilled fish made to order. For dinner, experience a high energy of Naga Hibachi, where teppanyaki chefs turn dinner into a show with fire and knife skills. Don't forget to try the Maguey Mexican restaurant for authentic mole and handmade tortillas that will change your perspective on Mexican cuisine. Activities and entertainment. This resort is a water lover's paradise, boasting 10 outdoor pools. This includes a stunning infinity pool with a swim-up bar for the adults and a dedicated kids' splash pool with colorful slides. For the active traveler, there are tennis and basketball courts, a football field, and even an on-site professional 18-hole golf course, one of the few in the hotel zone. While the kids are busy at Star Camp, which is divided into 3 age groups, monkey, dolphin, and eagle, adults can retreat to spa sensations for a chocolate body wrap or a hot stone massage. The verdict. The Iberostar Selection is for the traveler who wants a classic Cancun experience. It's perfect for families who want a mix of sports, great food, and a central location. It's not the newest hotel on the block, but its consistent service and incredible beach make it a winner. Number 5, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. At number 5, we have a resort that has completely redefined the splash concept for 2026. The Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. Location and type. This property is a massive giant design for high-energy fun. If you're a family that thrives on action and modern amenities, this is your place. It's located slightly south of the main hotel zone, giving it a more expansive, campus-like feel. It's a resort within a resort vibe where the scale is simply mind-blowing. Rooms and suites. With over 1,000 suites, the variety is incredible. Every room features Royalton's signature dream bed with high thread count sheets. In 2026, they have enhanced their all-in connectivity, featuring high-speed Wi-Fi that is fast enough for streaming or remote work. The design is modern, sleek, and very comfortable. If you're traveling with a larger group, Their two-bedroom suites are some of the best designed spaces in the region. The water park, the USP, the standout feature here, and the reason it remains a top seller, is the massive on-site water park, one of the largest in the entire Caribbean. We're talking about 14 monster slides, including the Kamikaze and the Space Bowl, a lazy river that winds through property and extensive splash areas. It's like having a theme park in your backyard, and it's all included in your stay. But wait, there's more. They also have Game Up, an indoor center with a bowling alley, laser tag, and a trampoline park. Dining and relaxation. With 12 restaurants, the quality is top-notch. For a special night, head to the Culinary Experience, a private chef's table that walks you through a multi-course tasting menu. For those seeking extra exclusivity, the Diamond Club offers preferential reservations, a private beach area with its own bar, and a dedicated butler service. And when you need a break from the slides, the Royal Spa offers a world-class hydrotherapy circuit to soothe your muscles. The verdict: this resort is for families with kids and teenagers who never want to hear the words, "I'm bored." It's a high-energy environment. If you're looking for a quiet, zen-like retreat, this might be too loud for you, but for pure entertainment value, it's unbeatable. Number 4, Grand Palladium Costa, Mujeres Resort and Spa. Moving to number 4, we head north to a more exclusive, serene area, the Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres. Location and vibe. Located in the pristine area of Costa Mujeres, about 30 minutes from the airport, this resort offers a more tranquil, upscale experience away from the crowded hotel zone. It's surrounded by mangroves and sits on a stunning white sand beach that feels much more private. Unique design. The coolest thing about this resort is its canal system. You can actually move around the resort via electric boats through winding canals. It's often called the Venice of the Caribbean, creating a very romantic and peaceful atmosphere. The entire resort is designed so that you never have to walk too far, as the village center is a hub for all dining and shopping. Suites and luxury. Every room here is a suite. They feature hydro-massage baths and balconies with views of either the lagoon or the ocean. In 2026, they have expanded their family selection program, which provides families with family-bought amenities, including specialized mini bars for kids and a private lounge. The swim-out suites are a fan favorite, giving you direct access to a pool right from your terrace. Food and entertainment. The real must-see is the Chic Cabaret and Restaurant. It's a high-end dinner show that rivals Vegas productions, featuring a multi-course gourmet meal paired with breathtaking acrobatics and musical performances. For dining, Poseidon offers incredible fresh seafood right on the beach. Sports fans will also love the Rafa Nadal Tennis Center, where you can take lessons from coaches trained at Nadal's Academy in Spain. The verdict: this is for sophisticated traveler who wants luxury and nature combined. It's excellent for families who want a bit more class, and for couples who appreciate modern architecture and quiet beaches. Number 3, Secrets Divine Cancun, adults only. Entering our top 3 is a sanctuary for those seeking sophistication and romance. Secrets Divine Cancun. Location and concept. This is an adults-only resort located in the hotel zone. It's a sleek, high-rise building that offers a more cosmopolitan, city-chic version of an all-inclusive. If you want luxury without the sound of splashing children, this is your destination for 2026. The views from the upper floors are arguably the best in all of Mexico. The wine theme. The resort is themed around the world of fine wine. There is an extensive wine cellar with over 3,000 labels, and they host daily sommelier-led wine tastings. The decor is stunning, featuring Italian porcelain floors and teakwood furnishings. Even the spa treatments incorporate wine-based products for a unique antioxidant experience. Rooms and unlimited luxury. Every room has a private balcony with ocean views. For the best experience, book a preferred club room. This gives you access to a private lounge, a dedicated rooftop pool, and enhanced room service menus. Their unlimited luxury concept means you get top-shelf spirits, 24-hour room service, and pool/beach weight service without ever needing a wristband. Dining and nightlife. Dining here is a high-end affair. Seesaw Grill serves incredible Peruvian ceviche, while Dragons offers sophisticated Asian fusion. By night, the resort comes alive with themed parties, live music at the Red Vine Piano Bar, and a very social vibe around the infinity pools. It's refined but never boring. The verdict: this is for couples and groups of friends who want a sophisticated, cool vibe. It feels more like a high-end boutique hotel than a massive resort. It's perfect for honeymoons or milestone birthdays. Number 2, Royalton Riviera Cancun. Taking the runner-up spot is the Royalton Riviera Cancun. Location: just 15 minutes from the airport. This resort is huge, boasting 840 suites. It's perfectly positioned for those who want a quick transition from travel to vacation mode. It's located in a mangrove-protected area, which means the beach feels very natural and secluded. Section excellence. What makes this resort so good is how it caters to everyone through its 3 distinct sections. The family section. This is the heart of the resort, with kid-friendly pools and the main buffet. The Diamond Club section. This is the upgrade you want for premium spirits and a more attentive level of service. Hideaway at Royalton. This is an adults-only resort within a resort. It has its own private pool and restaurant, Dorado, but guests still have access to the 10 other restaurants in the main section. It's the perfect compromise for a group trip where some people have kids and others don't. Rooms and fun. Every room features the Royalton signature dream bed and 24-hour concierge service. In 2026, they've added more smart suite features like personalized scent options for your room. The resort has 10 restaurants and 11 bars. For a unique experience, try Zen, which offers amazing teppanyaki and sushi. For the kids, there's a great splash park, and the Hangout Teens Lounge is packed with PlayStation VR and billiards. The verdict: this is the ultimate crowd pleaser. If you're organizing a large group trip with different ages and budgets, this is the safest and most rewarding bet. It does everything well. Number 1, Moon Palace Cancun. And finally, the number 1 all-inclusive resort in Cancun for 2026 is the legendary Moon Palace Cancun. The ultimate destination. This isn't just a hotel. It's a city of fun. Moon Palace is so large it's divided into 3 sections: Sunrise, Nizic, and the Golf Villas. In 2026, it remains the gold standard because it simply offers more than anyone else. It's like a cruise ship on land, but with much more space. Why it's number 1. The activities. It features a 27-hole Jack Nicklaus signature golf course and a Flow Rider double, where you can learn to surf. They also have a massive noir nightclub and a professional theater. The food. With 19 restaurants and 7 bars, the variety is unmatched. You have Agua for Mediterranean, Arrecife for Brazilian steakhouse experience, and Momo for incredible Pan-Asian. The food quality here is consistently rated as the best because they have a massive central kitchen where they bake their own bread and process their own meats to ensure quality. The rooms. Every room comes with a double whirlpool tub in the center of the room, a mini bar stocked with premium spirits like Grey Goose and Bacardi, and 24-hour room service that is actually gourmet. The spa. The Oz Spa is one of the largest in Mexico. If you book a spa treatment, make sure to arrive an hour early for the hydrotherapy circuit. It's an experience in itself. The Grand Option. If you want even more luxury, you can stay at the Grand at Moon Palace, which is a more upscale section with its own massive water park and exclusive restaurants. The verdict: Moon Palace is for the traveler who wants it all. If you want to never leave the property because there's too much to do, this is your home. It's the ultimate all-inclusive experience in 2026. Beyond the resort. Excursions in 2026. While these resorts are incredible, Cancun in 2026 offers some amazing must-do experiences that your resort concierge can arrange. Chichen Itza and cenotes, a visit to one of the new 7 wonders of the world, is a must. In 2026, new high-speed rail options make getting there faster and more comfortable than ever. Isla Mujeres Catamaran. Take a day trip on a catamaran to Isla Mujeres. You'll snorkel in the Musa Underwater Museum and enjoy a private beach club lunch. Tulum and Turtles. Visit the seaside ruins of Tulum and then head to Akumal to swim with wild sea turtles in their natural habitat. Ekaret Parks. If you love nature and culture, a day at Ekaret or Zelha is essential. These parks are world-class and offer underground rivers, cultural shows, and wildlife encounters. If you're already picturing yourself at one of these incredible resorts, I have some expert tips to make your 2026 trip smoother and more affordable. First, book in advance. Cancun is more popular than ever. If you want the best price for 2026, aim for a 4 to 6 month window before your travel dates. This is especially true for holidays like spring break or New Year's. Second, check the tipping culture. While these are all inclusive, a small tip for your favorite bartender or housekeeper goes a long way in Mexico. It's not required, but it is greatly appreciated. Third, don't overpay. I've included affiliate links in the description below. We at Punta Cana Todo Incluido always recommend using trusted platforms like Expedia because they often offer reserve now, pay later options and free cancellation. This gives you total peace of mind if your plans change. Click those links to see the current best rates. They change daily. And finally, if this guide helped you narrow down your choices, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Punta Cana Todo Incluido. We are dedicated to bringing you the most honest and detailed travel guides to help you spend your hard-earned money on the best possible experiences. Thank you so much for watching our deep dive into Best of Cancun for 2026. We hope this video helped you find your next dream vacation spot. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these 6 resorts is calling your name? Are you a Moon Palace fan? Or are you looking for the secret's adult-only vibe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love building this travel community with you. And if you're still looking for more travel inspiration, don't forget to check out our other videos on the screen right now. We have guides on the best beaches in the Dominican Republic and how to find cheap flights for 2026. Until next time, travel often, travel well, and we'll see you in the next paradise. Viajen mucho.